Namaste. We learnt about the Panchamahabhutas and their states of existence in our previous video. Let's now discuss about the first element, Akasha. It is commonly referred to as ether as named by Aristotle. It is also called as space, but understanding Akasha as space indefinite is a fallacy. It is related with the attribute Shabda and also to the Sroto Indriya. For a better understanding, it is the negative potential or the subtlest form of energy which exists. It is also interesting to note that Shabda, when roughly translated in English, means sound, which are vibrations and frequencies which make up energy too. In this video, we will understand what Akasha is according to our text and also how to practically understand this entity. Simply Ayurveda is an initiative to explore and share the concepts of the vast science of Ayurveda in an easy manner. Consider subscribing to our channel. The term Akasha, when derived from Kash Dhatu, attains a technical meaning of an ethereal fluid which pervades the cosmos. According to Tarka Sangraha, Akasha is defined as follows: Shabda Gunakam Akasham Tacha Ekam Vibhu Nityam Cha. Akasha is that which exists as a virtue of its guna, which is Shabda. It is Eka or single, Vibhu or all-pervading, and Nitya or eternal. It is Amurta or without a definite physical structure because of its subtlety. Let's try to comprehend how Shabda is the defining factor of Akasha. Shabda or sound is a form of energy which exists in the form of vibrations. Why do these vibrations take place? Vibrations occur when there is a difference in energy potential between two regions. Due to this potential difference, there is a movement of vibrations or movement of energy from one region to another. We learned that all the entities in the universe are made of a combination of Panchamahabhutas and that none of the Mahabhutas exist independently. Hence, we can never take Akasha to be just the empty space or vacuum that exists around us. It is to be understood as the relative space or the energy difference that allows the movement of energy or that allows vibrations to take place. In a grosser scale, this can be understood in relation with osmosis and diffusion. The human body and the universe in whole is 99.9% made of empty space. Can we justify this statement? Yes, let's dig deeper. Our body is made of organs, which are made of cells. Cells are nothing but a combination of molecules, and these molecules are made of atoms. Let's take a look inside an atom. It has the nucleus located in the center and the electrons revolving around it. What's interesting is that the nucleus is very tiny when compared to the size of the atom in whole. Electrons, which are way more tinier than the nucleus, revolve in specific energy fields called orbits only and not haphazardly. Hence, it can be said that the space between the particles is apparently empty. This means that the majority of space inside a molecule, a cell, an organ, and the whole body is empty. Every entity in this universe is made of the same atoms. And now, can we say that the whole universe mostly constitutes emptiness? Think over this. Akasha is thus present everywhere, right? Avyahatagati or Apratigatatvam or unobstructed movement is described as a salient feature of Akasha. This can help us replace the term emptiness or nothingness which we used in our previous example and understand Akasha as an entity which allows free, unobstructed movements. Now makes sense, right? You may be thinking why these all are needed in Ayurveda. Okay, let's try to understand and analyze Akasha clinically. Let's consider two sampraptis for this. Stambhana or Avarodha. These are conditions where Akasha is taken over by Murta Dravyas like Prithvi. In other words, the normal unobstructed flow is now gone, leading to stagnation. This produces a negative feedback signaling the system to stop producing enzymes and other biochemicals because it is not processed yet. An example is the cessation of production of insulin due to Ama Sanchaya. Next is Kavaigunya. Here, the Prithvi is taken over by Akasha. This means that there is a structural disintegration in the system causing dosha prakopa, leading to functional abnormalities. So now we have tried to understand these two sampraptis from the point of view of Akasha. Try to analyze all the diseases and conditions in this way. Let us enlighten ourselves with a few more facts about Akasha before we conclude this video. The Athenian philosopher Plato had explained the Platonic solids. These are 5 in number, and they correspond to each of the 5 elements. Dodecahedron is a geometrical structure having 12 faces. This is used to depict Akasha. In Indian spiritual practices, including yoga, Akasha Mahabhuta is worshipped using this mudra. Let us now revise what we learned in this video. We looked into the derivation and definition of the term Akasha and its attributes. We also looked into how Shabda is a guna of Akasha and how it influences the universe. We tried to understand Akasha as the space in an atom and how Akasha pervades the whole cosmos. We learned Avarodha and Kavaigunya from the point of view of Akasha and finally looked into a few more facts about Akasha. More information about Akasha can be accessed in the collection of links included in the description box below. If you like this video, hit the like button and comment your opinions. Hit the subscribe button and share with your friends. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook for more updates.